Well, here it is, guys. People still digging themselves out from the snow. There's my car, finally, after about an hour and a half of digging myself out. You know what? I wonder where my $275 a month on condo fees go. Because obviously, not maybe towards the snow removal, because they haven't done nothing. Anyways, shovel there, there, and well, not that much, but down on my own damn garage to keep it up clean. But that's a lot of freaking snow, you know. So, anyways, here's some birds flying by, probably looking to go south. Wow. Over there. Oh, maybe they're going south. Oh, no, they're on a tree over there, chilling. You know, probably looking to poop in some bar, in some car or something. Anyway, that's it for now because I am freezing my ass off. Okay, that's it for now. You know, too fast, too cold. Okay, maybe tomorrow we'll get to be like 50. No, 10-4 for now. Bye. From Connecticut.